In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start with Basecamp. By the end, you'll have a brand new project set up and ready for your team to use, even if you've never touched Basecamp before. Let's begin on your Basecamp home screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Make a New Project. Go ahead and click that. This is the starting point for organizing any piece of work in Basecamp, whether it's a client project, an internal initiative, or a simple team experiment. Next, you'll be asked to name your project and add a brief description. Choose a name that's specific and easy for your team to recognize at a glance. For example, instead of just marketing, you might write Q1 Marketing Campaign Launch. In the description, add a sentence or two about the goal of this project or what kind of work will live here. This helps everyone understand the purpose right away, especially people who are joining later. Now, it's time to set access. Basecamp gives you two main options here. If the project involves sensitive information, internal planning, or anything you want to keep tightly controlled, select Invite Only. This means only people you explicitly invite will see it. If it's a general team project that everyone in your account should be able to view and participate in, choose All Access. Picking the right option from the start keeps your workspace organized and avoids confusion about who should be where. Once access is set, you can add people. Invite the teammates who'll be doing the work and, if appropriate, invite clients or external partners as well. Including them directly in the project keeps communication in one place, so you're not juggling long email threads or scattered chats. Take a moment to review who really needs to be involved so that notifications stay meaningful and relevant. With your project created, let's set up the tools inside it. Start with to-do lists. Create a list for a specific area of work, then add individual tasks. Assign each task to the right person, set due dates, and, when needed, break bigger tasks into smaller subtasks. This makes responsibilities and timelines crystal clear. Use the message board for important announcements, updates, and decisions. Think of it as the official record of what's going on in the project. In Docs and Files, upload or create documents, spreadsheets, and key assets so everything lives in one central, easy-to-find place. Add important events, deadlines, and milestones to the schedule so your team can see what's coming up. Finally, use Campfire, the project chat, for quick, informal conversations and day-to-day coordination without cluttering your email.